Alright, so we have two graphs here. One is a position time graph and one is a velocity time graph. For our position time graph, now our object moved in a negative direction but at a steady speed, as you can see through our best fit line. And our slope is negative 0.1 meters per second, which means that every second our object moved in a negative direction by 0.1 meters. And that's easy to see here. If I can highlight this part of the graph, at 1 second the change in position from here to there is negative 0.1. But we can also see this negative 0.1 in the mean, or the average, of the velocity time graph. And we can see here, because it all stays under the zero, that it is indeed in a negative direction. So our average here is negative 0.098 rounded, which is negative 0.1, which is the same as our slope. And this means that for every 1 second, actually on an average speed or velocity, our object was moving at negative 0.1 meters per second. That's an average of all this. So that's the first similarity. So we have our position time, which is meters per second, which is our slope, negative 0.1, but velocity is also meters per second. So it should equal, the slope should equal the average velocity of the velocity time graph.